Hey guys, GripEdge Tools back with you again. We're launching another set. It's a master type set. Come on, let's check it out. Let me introduce you to the new 62-piece MHST62S Master Hex and Torx set. Let's just have a look at all you get in this amazing kit. You get the 4mm to 10mm RPT Hex. And in the SAE, you get 1/8 to 3/8. You get both of those in the long and the short profile. You get T8 to T60 RPT Star, T10H to T55H Tamper Proof RPT Star, and then finally a full set of RPT E Star, sizings E4 to E20. And just like every GripEdge set that comes in that hard shell case, that carbon fiber foam tray can lift right out of there and you can set it right down into your toolbox or your tool cart, save yourself some space. Guys, if you've been following GripEdge Tools for a while, you've heard me say it before. A toolbox is nothing but a bunch of options. Here at GripEdge Tools, we want to make sure that we give you the right option for every job every time. Remember guys, if you reach for this tool lineup as your primary tool on every fastener every time, it prevents damage from happening. But if you've come across one that's been compromised or damaged from age, time, rust, or somebody else was in there before you, we are absolutely your best fighting chance at getting that fastener out. So make sure you keep an eye out on your favorite tool truck for the new MHST62S Master Hex and Torx set, or go to gripedgetools.com and get your set today. Be sure to leave a comment in the comments section, like and share the video, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you know when the next new GripEdge Tools video is coming right at you.